Sunshine. So today we're going to be unboxing our August Ipsy bag, and I have really high hopes that this bag is going to be amazing because of how cute the actual bag itself is. So we have this like tassel zipper that's like this bright yellow, and then the bag itself is peach, and then the exterior trim is all of that matching bright yellow to go along with the tassel. So the bag is really cute, which gives me high hopes that the inside contents are going to be absolutely amazing. So for those of you who did not know, Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription service. You get beauty and makeup and nail care and nail polish, all of that inside of your bag. You can customize a profile to fill out, be like, hey, I don't want nail care, but I want plenty of hair care. I have oily skin, I have dry skin. You can customize your profile based on your personal beauty preferences. And supposedly the person who packs your bag kind of customizes the products that you receive in your bag to go along with your profile. I filled out a beauty profile, I reviewed stuff, and I still receive items that don't really fit inside of my beauty preferences. So I always feel like it doesn't hurt to fill out your profile, but if you've never heard of Ipsy, that's just a little bit of inside information. With that said, let's get into the box. Technically it's a bag, so we're already off to a great start. Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out is this card. Okay, what is this month's theme? Confidence level, selfie with no filter. I don't get that. I don't get that. I don't ever use filters, so I never really understood, like, do a lot of people use filters, and I haven't picked up on it yet. Like, I'm always like, oh, that's a nice picture, and then I just move on. So the second thing that I'm pulling out is this fun box. Oh my goodness. Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics. I actually really like their products, so I'm really excited to see what this is. It says bronzer, so hopefully this is a bronzer that will not be too orange. Oh no, it's not terrible. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Dirty Little Secret. This is a bronzer. I receive a ton of Dirty Little Secret stuff from Ipsy. I've received highlighters, I've received blushes. This is in shade Skinny Dip. So let's go ahead and swatch it. It's metallic. So I think this would be, okay, so this is more like a highlight or a eyeshadow color. Because I would not personally use that as a bronzer. It's way too metallic to actually look like a sun-kissed glow. But again, that's all your personal preferences. This, to me, because of my skin tone, this would be something that I would use on my eyes. I would not use this as highlighter just because it's too dark, but it's really pretty. And I got an eyeshadow, well, something that I'm going to use as an eyeshadow in my Ipsy, so I'm not mad at that at all. That's really good. We're off to a great start. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this tube. Ooh, the Black Tea London Classic Serum. The anti-aging skincare contains high-quality black tea recognized by England's royal family. And presumably this is by a company named Tony Moly. After applying the skin, gently apply an appropriate amount to the skin along the skin's texture and pat your skin to enhance the absorption. How many times can we say the word skin in a sentence? That's a good question. Okay, so that was not English. I was expecting this to be like a scrub for some reason. I'm kind of confused at what this is. Ooh, but it smells good. I think it's probably just a serum. Yeah, I missed those words. It's Classic London Serum. So it's anti-aging. So we got skincare in our Ipsy bag, which is actually pretty good. Ipsy's doing good this month. The next thing that I'm pulling out, I'm really excited to know what it is because of how cute the packaging is. Oh my gosh, I love it. It says #INM heart. The universe's star highlighter. I'm not missing out. Twilight, the universe's star highlighter. Shine your light bright, you're a star. For a soft, radiant look, choose the universe's star highlighter. And check us out on INMO Cosmetics. Okay, so the packaging literally is so freaking adorable. Like, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's very like unicorn-esque and like, you know, that little theme. Okay, so I'm gonna try and pull it out. Okay, I'm like a sucker for small details, and as I pulled out the little like flappy thing for the box, there's a little picture of Saturn. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm opening this up, and this has been dropped, which makes me sad. I wish Ipsy like did a better job of taking care of like the products that goes out, because like, look, this has a giant, okay, first you can see the packaging is very dirty, and then there's like a giant scratch right here on the container, which makes me sad. Okay, so this is a highlighter in shade Twilight. It doesn't really have a scent, and that is a very orange highlighter. Definitely not something really in my comfort zone, but we're gonna swatch it before we place any judgment. So yeah, okay, thank God. That came out like way more gold. I was like, yeah, this is hopefully not too orange. That is a gorgeous, oh my gosh, it's a peach. It looked very gold in the camera, but now that I look at it in person, it's a gorgeous like goldy peach color. Like, it is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I have to get so much more in my hand now. Oh my gosh, let's see how like, okay, layering it, it's becoming more orange. Not orange in the sense of like orange, but definitely like a lot more peachy looking. I wish my camera would like calm down and not overreact to how bright my highlighter is, but now you guys can see better what I mean about like it being like a peachy orange color. The next thing that I'm pulling out is this Way Hair Care Volume Spray. I love volume. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Literally my hair goals is to have like 80s hairband type of hair. It's harder now that my hair is short, but anything with the word volume in it for my hair is like a 100% absolute definite yes. Okay, so let's spray this and see what it smells like. Oh, that smells like musk. Like, it smells like kind of like cologne a bit. Oh my gosh, volume. I can't wait to play with this. Okay, it says directions. Spray damp hair from root to tip before blow drying for long-lasting volume. Finish with texturizing spray for added lift and texture. So my hair is dry, so this really isn't gonna do anything for my hair except make it like wet. But I can't wait to play with that. I'm so excited that I got this. Oh, I almost dropped it. I am literally so excited that I got this because a volumizing spray should be my middle name. The last thing that I received in my Ipsy box is from MAC. Oh my gosh. This is the False Lashes Extreme Black. So I'm presuming that, assuming that this is a mascara. I'm sad that I already have mascara on because I won't be able to test this because we won't really know what the true results of this mascara are. Okay, Ipsy, you guys have done an incredible job. Honey, you have done an incredible job. So here's what we got in our August, I want to say August, July. I literally keep saying August, July Ipsy bag, but what I actually mean is our August Ipsy bag. So here's everything that we received in our August Ipsy bag. So we got the Way Hair Care Volumizing Hairspray. We have this hashtag INM Heart the Universe Star Highlighter, which is this pretty peach highlighter. This Dirty Little Secret bronzer. It's metallic, so I'm going to be using this as eyeshadow. A mascara from MAC Cosmetics, and then the Black Tea London Classic Serum, which is presumably an anti-aging serum. So for my August Ipsy bag, I got 5 items, and I have to say there's nothing in here that I'm mad or disappointed about. I'm literally excited about everything. Like, even this would definitely fall on the bottom of the list, and the item that I'm most excited about would definitely be the hair care option. But I definitely feel like this bag was very well rounded out. I got a little bit of everything. I got some bronzer / eyeshadow, I got highlighter, I got skincare, mascara, hair care. Like, I really got like a little bit of everything. I didn't get any masks, I didn't get any scrubs. Like, those are the ones that I really don't like getting, but I didn't get any of that in this bag, so I'm really super pumped about this. Like, this bag was amazing. So what did you guys think of my August Ipsy bag? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Was there anything in there that you would absolutely love to try? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.